Hello everybody, it's time to organize the access cab area of the 2006 Tundra. Long overdue. Looks worse than it is, but I've got to improve it. I've got a toolbox I want to set on this back seat and store some items in there and just make it look a little better. So I guess we can do a time lapse on this and get this all tidied up. Maybe vacuum it out once I get everything out, and we'll go from there. All in all, not too bad, so next step will be vacuuming. Here it is after just vacuuming. Got some stainage over there I'm going to work on by hand because I don't have an extractor that'll fit in here. I don't think. I might. I'll see if I can sneak my one I've got in there. Maybe I can get that sucked out of there because that definitely has an odor that's not too pleasant. And I have smelled that off and on for years, so maybe some sweet tea or Dr. Pepper got spilt there a long time ago. Who knows? This back seat's been inaccessible for a long time. So this stain right here, I'm going to treat it with some super clean. Got my brush, I'm going to agitate it, and then I'm just going to wipe it with some clean water. I've got a rag with some hot water, and just do the best I can until I can get this extracted. So let's go ahead and spray. And you can already see how it's cleaning that dirt just instantly. And it's also instantly taking that aroma out of here. We'll give it a little scrub. And then I'll set that up on tripod and we'll wipe it up with that clean rag I've got. Shot might be a little tight, but we'll try to do a demonstration here of how that super clean is going to work. White rag for demonstration. Let's just wipe it up. Already getting some significant dirt up. And I'll just keep going over it until I'm satisfied. Here's a look at my water. That's pretty gross. I don't know if that's coffee or tea or Dr. Pepper. And there's what the carpet's looking like right now. Now I'm going to get some hot water mixed up and see if I can get my little my little extractor that I have that for small spots and stains. I used to have a portable one that was perfect for vehicles, but I don't know what happened to that. But I'm going to try to suck up some more of this liquid and maybe get rid of that odor. So yeah, I can get this in here just enough to do what I need to do. It's a Bissell quick steamer that's probably 21 years old. It's a model number 1960-W. no date code, but that serial J04105 would tell me maybe 2004, which I did buy this new, but I'll have to look up on that a little bit. But I'm going to fill my little container here with some hot water and see what I can do here. Let's give the old Bissell extractor a whirl, see what happens. Let's do a water reveal. See if we did any good. I would say so. So I can end up cleaning my carpets in here a little bit anyway. If I slide my seats all the way back, I think I can do the front too. So that's more awesomer. Here's what we're looking like after. I did add just a couple drops of pine cleaner to that water that I used for extracting. But along with that, and the super clean and the brush, carpet came out looking pretty good. Well, just a few days later, I forgot to record an after of getting everything put back in and organized. That new toolbox fits perfect in there. All cleaned up, odor free. Let's look at the front seat. All good to go. So once again, cleaning up the interior of the 2006 Toyota Tundra. Thank you for watching.